Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of memory technologies. Today, we'll explore the backbone of modern computing, DRAM, SRAM, NAND Flash, and the latest emerging memory solutions. Memory is essential for storing and processing data, enabling everything from smartphones to supercomputers. By understanding these technologies, we gain insight into how devices operate efficiently and what the future holds for data storage. Let's begin by setting the stage for our journey through the evolution and significance of memory in the digital era. Memory in computing refers to the components that store information temporarily or permanently. It's the foundation for running applications, saving files, and ensuring smooth operation. There are various types of memory, each with unique characteristics and purposes. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate why certain technologies are chosen for specific tasks. In this scene, we'll clarify the basic concepts and roles of memory in electronic devices, setting up a framework for our discussion of DRAM, SRAM, NAND Flash, and emerging alternatives. Dynamic Random Access Memory, or DRAM, is one of the most widely used memory types in computers and mobile devices. DRAM is known for its high density and affordability, making it ideal for main system memory. It stores each bit of data in a separate capacitor, which must be refreshed thousands of times per second. This refresh requirement distinguishes DRAM from other memory types. Despite its volatility, DRAM's speed and cost-effectiveness have made it a staple in modern computing. Next, we'll look at how DRAM works and why it's so prevalent. DRAM operates by storing data in capacitors, which are tiny electrical components. Each capacitor represents a bit, either a 0 or a 1. Because capacitors lose their charge over time, DRAM must constantly refresh its contents to maintain data integrity. This refresh cycle is a key characteristic of DRAM, impacting its power consumption and performance. Despite this, DRAM offers fast access speeds and is scalable for large memory arrays. Understanding this mechanism helps explain why DRAM is used in everything from laptops to servers. DRAM is the primary memory in most computers, smartphones, and tablets. It's used for running operating systems, applications, and multitasking. The high speed and density of DRAM make it suitable for tasks that require quick access to large amounts of data. In servers and gaming systems, DRAM ensures smooth performance and responsiveness. As technology advances, DRAM continues to evolve, offering greater capacities and faster speed. Let's move on to another important memory type, SRAM. Static Random Access Memory, or SRAM, is another crucial memory technology. Unlike DRAM, SRAM does not require constant refreshing, making it faster and more reliable for certain applications. SRAM stores data using flip-flop circuits, which retain information as long as power is supplied. This design results in lower latency and higher performance, but also higher cost and lower density compared to DRAM. SRAM is commonly used in cache memory and embedded systems, where speed is critical. SRAM and DRAM serve different purposes in computing. While DRAM is used for main memory due to its density and cost-effectiveness, SRAM is preferred for cache and registers because of its speed and stability. SRAM's lack of refresh cycles means it consumes less power during operation, but its complexity makes it more expensive. Understanding these differences helps us see why both memory types are essential in modern devices, each optimized for specific tasks. SRAM is widely used in processor caches, networking equipment, and embedded systems. Its fast access times make it ideal for storing frequently used data and instructions. In CPUs, SRAM acts as cache memory, speeding up processing by reducing the time needed to access information. While not as dense as DRAM, SRAM's reliability and speed are invaluable in high-performance computing environments. Next, we'll explore NAND Flash, a memory technology that revolutionized storage. NAND Flash is a type of non-volatile memory, meaning it retains data even when power is lost. This technology is the foundation of solid-state drive SSDs, USB drives, and memory cards. NAND Flash stores data in cells arranged in a grid, allowing for high-density storage and fast read-write speeds. Its durability and compact size have made it the preferred choice for portable and embedded storage solutions. Let's look at how NAND Flash works and its impact on modern devices. NAND Flash memory stores data in floating-gate transistors, which trap electrons to represent bits. These cells are grouped into pages and blocks, allowing efficient data management. Unlike DRAM and SRAM, NAND Flash does not require power to maintain its contents, making it ideal for long-term storage. However, writing and erasing data in NAND Flash is slower than reading, and repeated cycles can wear out the memory. Despite these challenges, NAND Flash remains a cornerstone of modern storage. NAND Flash is used in SSDs, smartphones, cameras, and IoT devices. Its ability to store large amounts of data in a small footprint has transformed the way we access and manage information. SSDs offer faster boot times and data transfer rates compared to traditional hard drives, while memory cards and USB drives provide convenient portable storage. As demand for high-capacity storage grows, NAND Flash technology continues to evolve, offering greater reliability and performance. Beyond DRAM, SRAM, and NAND Flash, new memory technologies are being developed to address the limitations of current solutions. These emerging technologies promise faster speeds, higher densities, and improved endurance. Examples include MRAM, RARAM, and 3D Expoint, each offering unique advantages for specific applications. As computing demands increase, innovation in memory is crucial for supporting next-generation devices and services. Let's explore these new frontiers in memory technology. Magnetoresistance Random Access Memory, or MRAM, uses magnetic states to store data. Unlike traditional memory, MRAM offers non-volatility, fast access, and high endurance. It's being explored for use in automotive, industrial, and high-performance computing applications. MRAM's ability to retain data without power and withstand many write cycles makes it a promising candidate for future memory solution. As research continues, MRAM may become a mainstream technology in the coming years. Resistive random access memory, or RARAM, stores data by changing the resistance of materials. This technology offers high speed, low power consumption, and scalability for advanced applications. RARAM is being developed for use in AI, IoT, and edge computing, where efficient memory is critical. Its unique properties make it suitable for devices that require frequent data updates and rapid processing. RARAM represents a significant step forward in memory innovation. 3D XPoint is a revolutionary memory technology developed to bridge the gap between DRAM and NAND Flash. It offers fast access speeds, high endurance, and non-volatility. 3D XPoint enables new possibilities for data-intensive applications, such as real-time analytics and in-memory databases. By combining the best features of existing memory types, 3D XPoint is poised to transform the landscape of storage and computing. Let's see how it compares to traditional memory solutions. Each memory technology has strengths and weaknesses. DRAM offers high density and speed but is volatile. SRAM is fast and stable but expensive. NAND Flash provides non-volatile storage but has slower write speeds. Emerging technologies like MRAM, RARAM, and 3D XPoint aim to combine the best features of existing solutions. Understanding these differences helps us choose the right memory for each application, balancing performance, cost, and reliability. Memory technologies power the devices we use daily, from smartphones and laptops to smart home gadgets. DRAM and NAND Flash are found in most consumer electronics, ensuring fast operation and reliable storage. As devices become smarter and more connected, the demand for advanced memory solutions grows. Emerging technologies will play a key role in supporting new features and capabilities, making our digital lives more seamless and efficient. Data centers rely on memory technologies to process and store vast amounts of information. DRAM is used for high-speed operations, while NAND Flash provides long-term storage. Emerging memory solutions are being tested to improve efficiency and reduce energy consumption. As cloud computing and big data analytics expand, the role of memory in data centers becomes even more critical. Innovations in memory will help meet the growing demands of the digital economy. Artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things require fast, reliable memory to process data in real time. SRAM and emerging technologies like RARAM are being used to enable rapid decision-making and efficient data storage. As AI and IoT applications become more complex, memory innovation will be essential for supporting new capabilities and improving performance. The future of memory is closely tied to the evolution of intelligent systems. Despite advances, memory technologies face challenges such as scalability, power consumption, and durability. DRAM's refresh cycles, NAND Flash's wear-out issues, and SRAM's cost are ongoing concerns. Emerging solutions aim to address these limitations, but new challenges arise as devices become more powerful and interconnected. Continuous research and development are needed to overcome these obstacles and unlock the full potential of memory. The future of memory technology is shaped by trends such as increased density, lower power consumption, and integration with advanced computing systems. 3D stacking, new materials, and smarter architectures are being explored to push the boundaries of performance. As demand for faster, more reliable memory grows, innovation will drive the development of new solutions. Staying informed about these trends helps us anticipate the next breakthroughs in computing. Manufacturing memory involves complex processes, from designing circuits to fabricating chips. Companies invest heavily in research and development to improve yields and reduce costs. Advances in lithography, materials science, and automation are enabling the production of more sophisticated memory devices. As competition intensifies, manufacturers strive to deliver higher performance and reliability, ensuring that memory technologies keep pace with computing demand. Sustainability is becoming a key consideration in memory technology. Reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, and using eco-friendly materials are priorities for manufacturers. Emerging memory solutions offer potential for lower power usage and longer lifespans, contributing to greener computing. As environmental concerns grow, the industry is adopting practices that support sustainable development and responsible innovation. Security is critical in memory technology, especially as devices store sensitive information. Techniques such as encryption, secure boot, and hardware isolation help protect data from unauthorized access. Emerging memory solutions are being designed with enhanced security features to address new threats. As cyberattacks become more sophisticated, memory security will remain a top priority for manufacturers and users alike. Mobile devices rely on DRAM and NAND Flash for fast operation and reliable storage. As smartphones and tablets become more powerful, memory requirements increase. Manufacturers are integrating advanced memory solutions to support high-resolution cameras, gaming, and multitasking. Emerging technologies promise even greater performance and efficiency, enabling new features and longer battery life. Automotive systems use memory for navigation, infotainment, and safety features. DRAM, SRAM, and emerging technologies like MRAM are being deployed to meet the demands of connected and autonomous vehicles. Reliable memory ensures smooth operation and quick response times, supporting advanced driver assistance and real-time data processing. As cars become smarter, memory innovation will be essential for future mobility. Healthcare devices use memory to store patient data, run diagnostics, and manage medical records. SRAM and NAND Flash are common in medical equipment, while emerging technologies offer new possibilities for real-time monitoring and analysis. Reliable memory is crucial for ensuring accurate results and supporting advanced healthcare applications. As medical technology evolves, memory innovation will play a vital role in improving patient care. Industrial systems rely on memory for automation, control, and monitoring. DRAM, SRAM, and emerging solutions are used to support real-time operations and data logging. Reliable memory ensures smooth functioning of machinery and efficient production processes. As industries adopt smart technologies, memory innovation will be key to enabling advanced automation and predictive maintenance. Gaming systems demand high-performance memory for fast loading, smooth graphics, and responsive gameplay. DRAM is used for main memory, while NAND Flash provides storage for games and media. Emerging technologies promise even faster speeds and greater capacity, enhancing the gaming experience. As games become more immersive, memory innovation will be essential for supporting new features and capabilities. We've explored the world of DRAM, SRAM, NAND Flash, and emerging memory technologies. Each plays a unique role in powering devices and enabling innovation across industries. As computing demands grow, memory technology will continue to evolve, offering new possibilities for speed, reliability, and efficiency. Staying informed about these advancements helps us appreciate the impact of memory on our digital lives and anticipate the exciting future ahead.